Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the stories we've been covering in the resources sector this past week. Caledonia Mining hit a record second quarter, producing over 21,000 ounces of gold at more than $3,000 per ounce. CEO Mark Learmont says the strong results mean 2025 production guidance is up, with major development projects still progressing.
We are hearing, loud and clear from shareholders that whilst they like the project, there is a certain amount of nervousness over its scale, and therefore a phased approach may well be attractive to them.
Tertiary Minerals has extended copper mineralization at Mashima North by 350 meters, with grades in line with the Zambian Domes region. CEO Richard Belcher says silver is also emerging as significant, alongside progress at the Konkola West project.
We've got broad intervals sort of at the 0.2s, 0.3% coppers, but within those broad intervals, we've got, copper ranges in the 0.5 to 0.8. And those are all, those grades are really in the ranges of what we see up in the Domes region, what a lot of other exploration companies are chasing. So really interesting grades coming out at the moment, and we're interested to see where this develops.
Rome Resources has found a new tin zone and high-grade copper at its Montagoma project in the DRC. CEO Paul Barrett says updated modeling could double resources, with assay results due in the next few weeks.
When it comes to mining the actual resources, there will be the initial overburden will start to develop, start to recover the copper and the zinc at the same time. So there won't be any waste in terms of overburden. It'll all have mineralization. It'll all have value.
Diversified Energy posted $510 million in second quarter revenue and $280 million in adjusted EBITDA. CEO Rusty Hutson Jr. says the Carlyle Group's $2 billion commitment is a transformational milestone for responsible growth.
The real important thing is that you saw the Maverick Resources acquisition, the scale, the size, and the large-scale company that we became as part of that transaction in the second quarter. You got to see the full impacts of that through the second quarter, which was great.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.